वेलकम बैक व्यूवर्स। आपको यहाँ पे पैराडाइज लॉस्ट बुक 1 के 50 MCQs जो हैं वो आपके सामने सॉल्व किए जा रहे हैं, बल्कि उनके ऊपर बकायदा टिक लगा हुआ है और वो जस्ट जो है वो रिकॉर्ड किए जा रहे हैं, ताकि आप इनको पढ़कर अपने एग्ज़ाम की जो तैयारी है, जो प्रेपरेशन है, उसको आसानी के साथ कर सकें। और ये 50 MCQs जो है वो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट हैं एग्ज़ाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। तो आप ये वीडियो जो है वो पूरी देखिएगा, ताकि ये 50 MCQs जो हैं वो आपको एग्ज़ाम में हेल्पफुल साबित हों, मददगार साबित हों। तो चलते हैं, शुरू करते हैं। विच एंजल डज सैटर्न ट्रिक बाय डिस्गाइसिंग हिमसेल्फ एज अ चेरब? मिकाइल, अरियल, रफाइल, अब्रियल। हेयर द राइट आंसर इज आंसर बी, अरियल। Next question is, which of the following forms does Saturn not take? We have options: angel, toad, cormorant. He takes all of these forms. So here is the D is the right answer, where he takes all of these forms. Next question is, in what book does the fall take place? Book 8, 10, 9 or 7. Here C is the right answer. It means that book 9 is a book where fall take place. Next we have question number 4. Which book of the Bible does the story of Adam and Eve occur? Leviticus, Exodus, Genesis. Genesis is the right answer. Next question number 5. Which devil advocates a renewal of all out war against God? Belial, Moloch, Mammon, Beelzebub. Here B is the right answer. Next, what is Milton's stated purpose in Paradise Lost? We have here 4 options, and option C is the right option: to justify the ways of God to men. This is very important question for exam point of view. Next we have question number 7. Which of the following is not a character in Paradise Lost? Night, agony, discord, death. Here B is the right answer, agony. Question number 8. Which angel wields a large sword in the battle and wounds Saturn? Michael, Abdiel, Ariel. Saturn is not injured. Here A is the right answer, definitely Michael. When Saturn leaps over the fence into paradise, what does Milton like him to? Here the right option is a wolf leaping into a sheep's pen. Next we have question number 10. Which angel tells Adam about the future in books 6 and 7? Michael. Michael is the right answer. Next question number 11. Which of the following is not found in hell? Oil. Oil is not found in the hell. What was the name of the devil Mammon in Italy? Mulciber is the right answer. Which devil is the main architect of Pandemonium? Here Mulciber is the right answer. How many times does Milton invoke the muse? He invoked muse 3 times. Next question 15. Who leads Adam and Eve out of paradise? Here the right answer is Michael. Which of the following poets does Milton emulate? Both Virgil and Homer is the right answer. What is the stated subject of Paradise Lost? This is also very important question. And here the answer is Adam and Eve's disobedience. Next question number 18. Which devil is Saturn's second in command? Definitely Beelzebub. Beelzebub is the second in command. Who discusses cosmology and the battle of heaven with Adam? Raphael is the right answer. Which scene happens first chronological? God and Son create the universe. Next, which of the angels is considered a hero for arguing against Satan? Here, Abdiel is the right answer. Next, question number 22. In an attempt to defeat God and his angels, what do the rebel angels make? They make a cannon. Next question, what is Pandemonium? Pandemonium, the assembly hall of hell, and it is also called capital of hell. Who does Milton name as his heavenly muse? Option B is the right option, Urania. Which does Eve do when she first becomes conscious? Look at her reflection in a stream. तो सबसे पहले अपना जो अक्स है वो वहाँ पे नदी के अंदर देखा. Milton's unholy trinity of characters includes here Saturn, sin and death. Paradise Lost is considered an epic. Epic is the right answer. Saturn's name before he fell from heaven was Lucifer. यानी सैटर्न का नेम जो है वो पहले लूसीफर था. The battle between God's army and Saturn's rebels in heaven lasted 3 days. 3 days is the right answer. In the phrase, "Thy seed shall bruise our foe," the seed refers to Jesus Christ. Here, Jesus Christ is the right answer. Next, 31. In the phrase, "Thy seed shall bruise our foe," thy refers to Eve. The two archangels who serve as generals in God's army are Michael and Gabriel. For inspiration in writing the poem, Milton says he depends on. Right option is Holy Spirit. Next we have question number 34. Earth is described as being connected to heaven by a golden chain is the right answer. Sin was born out of Saturn's head. Eve before the fall might best be described as a docile vain creature. Throughout the poem, Saturn transforms himself into many creatures. Which creature does Saturn not turn into? Here the right answer is a mouse. Who might be considered the friendliest and most sociable of all God's angels? Raphael is the right answer. Every day before the fall, Adam and Eve went out to work. What did their work consist of? Hunting and gathering food is the right answer. The reason for Saturn's fall might best be described as pride. Next question number 41. The reason for Eve's fall might best be described as vanity. On the second day of battle in heaven, what does Saturn use that surprises God's forces? Artillery is the right answer. Adam, Saturn and Eve herself are all dazzled by Eve's beauty. Eve's beauty is the right answer. The main reason for Adam's fall might best be described as love for Eve. Question number 45. When God sees that Adam and Eve have disobeyed him, who does he send to judge them and the snake? The sun. The sun is sent to them. Inspired by Saturn's victory over man, sin and death construct a bridge from hell to earth. Next question number 47. After they have both eaten from the tree of knowledge, the first thing Adam and Eve do is satisfy their sexual desire for each other. The archangel Michael might best be described as firm and militant. अगर आपको ये वाले MCQs जो हैं वो हेल्पफुल साबित हुए हैं और अगर आप इसी किस्म के 100 MCQs और देखना चाहते हैं तो आप मेरे चैनल को विज़िट करें। वहाँ पे इस वीडियो के अलावा भी एक वीडियो मौजूद है जिसमें 100 MCQs जो है वो पैराडाइज लॉस्ट से सिलेक्ट किए गए हैं, तो आप वो 100 MCQs भी वॉच कर सकते हैं। When Michael tells Adam what will become of mankind after the fall, he is actually narrating stories taken directly from the Hebrew Bible. What are the best words to describe the Garden of Eden, the weather and nature in general before the fall of Adam and Eve? Ordered and rational is the right answer. अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हुआ तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आपको इस किस्म की और वीडियोस भी जो हैं वो मिलती रहें। तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।